this is really cool.
What? Give it back.
It's mine. Yeah.
No,
I paid for it.
No, you didn't. I paid for this. Y'all, we're already fighting over the blanket. Hello guys, it is your girl, Nurse Kirsten, and we are back for another video. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible because I don't want to be like one of those who makes like a 2-hour long video of unboxing. So yeah, today we are going to do an unboxing and first impressions of Kyte Baby. I actually learned about this from my cousin. Shout out to Joanne. She is amazing and has been telling me all about this, and I never knew about Kyte Baby, and I live in Texas and apparently there are warehouses in Texas and everything, so I guess I've been missing out. Blush Leopard was being released and I was really excited because I have been, you know, I love everything pink, mauves, and decided I wanted one of the blankets and I wanted one of the pajama sets. Since I'm in Texas, I wanted the tank set. I was struggling in the adult blanket with choosing 1.0 or 2.0, and then I told myself, you know what, maybe I'm gonna just start with the youth blanket, which is like apparently like picnic size and it's easy to take with you like on travel. So they made it easy for me because it only comes in 1.0. At least from there I'm gonna get a gauge on how I like it, and if I feel like it's not enough, I'm gonna just order another 2.0 in a different print, and if I like the 1.0 better, then I'm gonna just start ordering 1.0s. But either way, this is all like a test run, trial run to see how I feel about this brand. I actually ordered this on Thursday, April 7th, when the drop happened, literally at 10 a.m. Ordered to the exact like minute. I was like so quick, and because it was my first time ever purchasing from them, I did get a discount, so I had this with like 10% off. And today is the 13th, so within like 6 days.
It already arrived here, so that is really quick, at least for me.
It comes in this like silver gray packaging.
It says that it's recyclable, so that's cute.
On this side, it has like the Kyte Baby showing.
Open that. And honestly, I am so excited to see what this is gonna look like.
Y'all, I just have to say, I got this as a gift from my ER manager, and you know, it helps like open up clothes and things like that with patients, but I have never used this on patients, I promise. I just ended up keeping it at home and buying myself another one. This is just my at-home use. Oh my gosh, I totally like got on a little, now I'm seeing this, right? Look, my little kid thinks it's so pretty. What is it?
Wow.
Yeah? Come here, sit with mama, let's open together. Now I feel really bad that my kid's like a little hyped up about it, and I didn't get him anything because Blush Leopard's like all pinkies and stuff like that, and I didn't know how it was gonna feel like. Now I'm a little like shook. Come here, Christian.
Wow.
Come here. Come here so they can see you in the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, what is this?
Wow.
So right now I am loving the pack, like how it's packaged, you know. It obviously like is on the luxurious side because they made sure that it's all tied up nicely with that bow. It kind of reminds me like whenever Chanel and, you know, designer brands do things with a bow. It just adds on to the experience.
Oh, I totally noticed that like my nails they're actually a mauve color, so it totally matches.
And I got the tank set. I ended up saving some money. I only paid $170.49.
First, I want to see what the tank looks like. I did get the extra small. That is the smallest size they have available, and I just hope it fits. Okay. Okay, let's see. So I find it really interesting, like, you know, when you order stuff, I always order figs like almost every week, and whenever I take out their clothes, they have those the silica thing, and like, you know, it's kind of dangerous for kids. I'm glad that they didn't do that.
Which is, you know, it shows you that they're very focused on children. This will definitely fit me, okay? I was freaked out at first because I heard it was stretchy, and a lot of people are saying they size down, so I was like, oh
shoot, I'm like, an extra small already, and there's no sizing down. Is it gonna be too loose? I am sure that this is gonna fit.
And it looks comfortable, and it comes with pockets. I love shorts that comes with pockets.
Because, you know, as a mama, you always need to put stuff.
So this is the hype of what it feels like. It does, by touching it, I could already tell that there's that like cool nature.
I like the tags. It seems very like environmental friendly. Recyclable. It says, oh, and it comes with the care instructions. It says wash on gentle cycle with light fabrics in cold water. Hang and air dry only. Snip any loose threads. If garment has a zipper, zip up before washing.
Right, this is so exciting. I'm gonna be trying this on and telling you what I think.
Before my camera dies, I'm literally at 4%. That is the ER person in me, just like adrenaline rush. Trying to make things work. Alright, let's open this.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Okay, I really thought that this was all just gonna be like hype and that they're like just obsessed with the brand or something. But right now I'm feeling it and it feels like heavenly clouds. Not that I've been there. I just have to say, it is exactly at this point in time that I officially became a fan. Okay, I was originally just gonna try it out, tell you my honest opinion, but now I think I'm gonna be a hardcore fan. We might end up, you know, purchasing a little too much next time. Okay, because this is feeling so good. Oh my gosh.
So let's unbox this. It also comes with the care instructions. It's actually the exact same thing. I think it's because they use the exact same material. So let's see and make sure it doesn't have that silica. Nope, no silica. Push!
This side has the leopard in it, and this side is that, you know, I don't really know what color it is. You know, I wasn't hardcore into the researching part. This is the blush color, and then the darker is the sunset. That's what I kind of heard from.
Love the heaviness of it. See how big this is, and this is a youth blanket. It is perfect. I'm glad because me and my husband don't use the same blankets because we like different temperatures, so we don't like to share.
Oh man, oh my god, this feels so good. Christian, come with mama, come inside. Come inside.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold, right? It has a cooling like sensation. I'm gonna have to buy them each a blanket because I'm not sharing this. I'm gonna wanna buy every blanket
that they'll release in limited editions now and just start becoming a collector.
I did not want this to happen. I honestly
was hoping it was just gonna be like mediocre. I'm just gonna barely like it and be like, okay, now I understand the hype cool story and move on. But now
I'm gonna be hooked.
This is dangerous, guys. Good job.
This is the perfect heaviness for me. I think I'm glad that I got the 1.0 because the 2.0 might really have been too warm. Y'all, I love how it feels. Alright, let me go try on the pajamas. Oh my gosh, you guys, we are dying. We are literally at 1%. I really gotta get this in. But I had just finished putting it on, and this is by far the best pajamas that I have ever tried on because it really does feel soft, and the best part is that cooling sensation.
Again, like I say, I'm really hot natured, and anything that feels cold and soft, I'm all about it.
I always just like, I feel like I'm always on fire, you know, so this is just so good.
So good and so cute. Perfect for Texas weather.
Babe, come look at my new pajamas.
Yummy!
What do you think?
It's cute.
Do you think they're worth $55?
Yeah, I think it's worth it.
Look, it comes with pockets and feel it. Feel how soft.
Wow.
Okay, now this one is important. I want you to legit feel this blanket.
Oh, this is really cool.
Right? Give it back.
It's mine now.
No,
I paid for it.
No, you didn't. I paid for this. Y'all, we're already fighting over the blanket. How does it feel like? Does it really feel like clouds? That's what everyone said.
It feels like pool.
So guys, my camera is literally showing that it's gonna die any second now. So I just have to tell you real quick my overall thoughts, opinion. I am obsessed. 10 out of 10. It is what it is and worth every single penny. Now, I don't know how well it lasts, how strong it is yet, but I will do an updated review after like a month or so and tell you how it holds up. All right? Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you for some more.